Oh my God.
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима.
Oh my goodness.
Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью
Is this
и
real?
днем. И меня
Bro, oh my goodness.
и
Woo!
опять
This is
не
massive.
уснуть в доме пустом.
Yo, what's up guys? How you doing? Hope you're doing good. If you just joined the channel for the first time, I go by the name Drew Insta. Today video we're back again with this amazing video by Diana. Oh my God, man, Diana, man, she's a queen. She have a very lovely voice. I love her voice a lot. So let me not say too much. Let's just bounce into the video. Oh my God.
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима.
Oh my goodness.
Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью
Is
и
this real?
днем. И меня
Bro, oh my goodness.
и
Woo!
опять
This is
не
massive.
уснуть в доме пустом. Тихо, саваном
Oh my goodness. She have a very lovely voice.
вьюга, дом мой укрой. Где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной. Где-то там
Oh my
в
goodness.
тишине ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там, вдалеке, никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты. Саваном
I don't mind pressing my button more than 50 times because she's so good.
Где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной. Кружит белая вьюга, тихо
Man, she's not just singing,
ходит
she's
зима.
you know.
Слышишь, как замерзаю снова я без тебя.
Woo! Oh my goodness. Oh my God. What the hell is this? This is so good. Like, oh God, like if I'm to press a button, like I'm gonna press like more than 50 times. Like I said, like I'm gonna press more than 50 times because this voice is extraordinary. Like I love this voice a lot, Diana, and she have a very pretty voice. She sounded like an angel. I call her Diana Angel because her voice is so angelic. Like for real. Like I'm not gonna lie, this voice is so good. I love her vibe though. Not just only her voice. She have a very good vibe. She was vibing to the song, enjoying the song. Dude, the song was coming from her, and she was still vibing to it. That is so good. Like that's so great, man. I still love this song a lot. So guys, please make sure to subscribe, make sure to comment, and tell me what you feel about the song. Thank you.